This is the Hymer S600 Blue Evolution S camper van, Mercedes Sprinter base, 593 centimeters long, and this will cost 90,500 euros. It comes with this additional equipment that you can see down there, and if that works, then you can see more about it. But if it doesn't work, don't worry, there is a link below which will give you more information. So I'm deliberately going to leave the lights off just to give you an idea what it looks like without turning them on. So at the very back, storage at the sides. We've got a window at that side. Note that it's got flares to increase the space for you to lie down in the widthwise direction. Let's have a look up here at the storage. That's a fair bit up there, and the light there, and there's a light there. Now, question was, how do you sit up in bed? Well, I suppose you're going to have to sit up here, but because this comes out so far, it does mean to say you're going to have to be somewhat careful. Note that there are 3 mattresses. As with any camper van, you can take these away to make more space in the back, but I'll open it up at the back to give a better view. Storage there. Could be a wardrobe if you took the shelf out, and the shelf will come out, as you can see. And below that, we have got the fridge. Now, a step up to the bed. Why is there a step there? Well, why not? I mean, I don't think that's particularly high, but then again, you might want to have a step. Does the step stop you opening the fridge door when it's up? No, it doesn't. Does it stop you opening this below? Yes, it does. So, what's the answer? The answer is to move this to one side and to get in like that. As you can see, there's a space here for this door to move in there, and this would allow for long things to go in there, like skis or something like that. In here we have got the washroom and toilet. Blue Evolution comes with a blue toilet. No, actually it's not a blue toilet. That was just a little joke of mine. It's just a blue cover on the blue toilet, on the white toilet. So, Thetford bench toilet in here. We've got a very large shower. I'm going to come inside actually, so you can see me. There I am in the shower. So I've got this much space above me. I've got my shoes on, which I don't normally have in the shower. And I've also left the duckboard in place. But that is, for a Mercedes, a huge amount of space, in my opinion. So when you come to the shower, you can see yourself in the mirror, and indeed you can turn the heating on from up there. Here's the kitchen. So I'd have to say pretty standard. And below it we have got the pantry, which I think I might start calling this. These drawers in the kitchen block, and there's one up here as well. There we have the forward facing bench, table here, and plugs in a very sensible position. So that's normally where we want the plugs, next to the table, and I'm glad to see a number of manufacturers are now putting them there. Down here we can see this part here is raised, and what we can see in here, there's your electrics, and in here we have got space to put things like sandals in. Oh, note the blue paintwork on the forward the drivers and passengers chairs. We've turned on the 12 volt from up here. We'll see how much water and electricity's in the vehicle. Mercedes Sprinter storage here, and comes with a tent in the roof, and the raising roof is a significant part of the overall cost of this vehicle. We have here extension to the kitchen worktop, and let's have a look at the rear end of it as well. Oh, there's a step there which I didn't put out. I tend not to put the steps out unless it's particularly high. Nice colour. And what we've got here is, now it's a very, I think it's a very spacious motorhome, and it does offer a lot of space for carrying stuff. There's I don't quite know if there's a second ladder in here, but I think that's a ladder for something else, because we saw there is a step up to the bed. Now, as you can see, these mattresses will move out. This will move to one side, so you could even get, if you took the door up, you could even put a couple of bikes in there as well, what you do for sleeping, and then you'd have to take them out the vehicle. I used to carry my bike around in an even smaller vehicle, a considerably smaller vehicle than this one. Indeed, you can see videos of me doing it. In here we have got space for two large gas cylinders, and there's some instructions as well, and also instructions what to do if the temperature drops below zero. Note one thing, it's only a little thing here, but this is something Hymer offers, this little bit of space here, and that I think is quite good. I think the idea is you put your tables on a table on one side and your deck chairs on the other, so it gives us space to carry something that nearly everybody carries in their vehicle. Also looking through here, that despite its size, it is a spacious vehicle in my opinion. Anyway, let's close this. This is brand new, just arrived here. Oh, and there's its elder sister, the Grand Canyon S crossover. That one's much more expensive. As you can see, it's on a 4x4. I think this looks really good. Anyway, see the flare here? This bit here sticks out a little bit. On this side, it doesn't come out so far because the door opens in this direction. On this side, you can see the flare is bigger, and the mirror, not the mirror, what do you call them things? Windows, that's right. The window is part of the flare itself, and it has this rather nice sliding down form there. In this one here looks even bigger in this vehicle here, only. Anyway, you'll have to see that in the appropriate vehicle. Now, good. So that's a quick look at this the Hymer S600 Blue Evolution. And so, if you want to know more information, there's more information below. I upload every day at 21:15, so if you're interested in this sort of thing, then you'll probably want to subscribe. But for the moment, from me in Heilbronn, Germany, thanks for watching, and all the best for now.